edu so no eye na obon krata no e na afa nsem ahodo no so edida online no ebebobobo so na ye de ama Badwam dwumadie ne de agese no nkrabo ene no edibedi ntitimu na no so kra ye wi a Badwam dwumadie no Adom TV dwumadie no enkwa wi ye ebekoso asomo akosise nyame ebema yen adechie foforo bio enti medekase na si no man hene kwabna sante aye krado wo de obon krata ne mu mesuma aye krado e wo de ekoso e wo online na mebobo so ede amount o man pacho me mo akwa ba bio
ya majoso me refi se me catch us on wife yi
medase pa medase
Gremofon so on your camera phone so almost chiriwia time so omo hwe anim isa nam wo ho no mutimi de eyi bread onyame na medini gya omo say aduane ho na de ho eyi brem kremoni o wi 30 days isa watimi de eyi brem na se wo no wo ye kremoni guy eyi no so ne emodin no amanfo chi na ma se blog omo de manipa no wo de wo hwe anim na wo de eyi bae wo hwe me na se eyi na wo de aba ana wo hwe wo pese ohun eyi kro just here. And was MCA. Wow, Sherman, who was all here, you cry, make a wasn't.
Black eye, and a man could tata. Well, what could you walk it and get to say it's not a few no? Both say that or dear insinuate to know piano, why or diano. Now I catch it.
And someone want to join the overcut.
No, on my hand.
Yes,
yes, Christopher. Yeah. Christmas na mama nkremofo ne den
osana wo so pe o ya mo bi anya dan agina so no o ya mo bi anya na agina so ye de en de ye si ye nya ya adwene se ye de aduane kocheche ye so de brabe srai juno
ba mo na mo sesa de
mo de mo se mo ba chi na no na ebi no so kra de Yakoba Mbakazi me de ni pare gina ntimi ntwa so omo wa tete won tazi bi omo ke tase agina omo na ma allow akubara some the lie me see me pese me kasa Chief Mam did me many actually.
Mate, ono kra obo ni din de etwa so. Ye ma na chia no.
Na ka no pay habe bin se ja.
Pacho, Chief Mam aba mu de. Alhamdulillah.
Wallahi.
Yasre.
La ilaha illallah. Ina babanka, baba ya take aswa. Wallahi.
Ma here yankuri mute.
We de yankuri de abai de majai.
Yankuri mute.
And some of do atojo do work at the online stories na ka one. The new crusading guide say Ekufuado explains divisions in NDC over Asumdwe Park, rehabilitation not my making. Ghana campaign on also the Chirimubia, and Ghana makes progress on implementation of sustainable development goals. Professor Jan Bafo Anna Ekikasa and Semwe. Retraction, Martin Pegu's comment without prejudice. And so Kenkaya, yesterday I was a guest on News File where issues including the nation-wrecking canker of corruption was discussed. This was on the back of yet another frightening survey by the collaboration of two state institutions, SHRAJ and GSS, revealing the endemic level of actual corruption in Ghana today. In the heat of the discussion, I passionately expressed my disgust at the inaction of the presidency in dealing with certain matters bordering on corruption. I do hereby retract and apologize for the expression purporting to connect the President of the Republic to crime and assign Martin Pebu. In fact, Metuche Ediamo, because we share a lawyer for no makana. Or can a lawyer for Kakrebi Aka Organa ha. And Munyam ni Ukredino are part of their daily life. So, honestly speaking, that Saturday, na me what was really happening. But also it's an indication. So bit to say Martin Pebu, Nimyam for or kind of crop bread and what's it didn't creme of mine. Na no betimia patra sano. Wa pacho de, but you're careful because it is telling all of us that say antenasi ye as of my answer senior me ya. You show a tap on training into wargeno ba na eba.
Okay.
Ti yesremo. If I made the need man pa me buni pa because be mo shame prekope. You can disagree with the president and his team. But na me say eh emranim for na obe jumpo prekope etimdi ade bia kosensen ne komu no aha adwene kakra en ade ba kwa edi enya so ne se oye ya no bia kotwe mfato aba ana ye ma me eslowusu ana oye we no oye say it means that man careful it is a particular interest among the politicians no mo say wo ye pese ye tene o man ni o ma enye papa ti na no da no na kwabna santi ko ye su ni ban bia enye papa it does not mean that sa su ni ban no it should be encouraged 3, 4, 5 times. As our mind and ebre, Now wo na more stroke kakra you are benefiting from ye bre. Sutro mienu. So the MPP, the NDC, I keep telling you guys, you cannot take Ghana for granted again. Mama yenye di esefata.
Okay.
Ye kasi ye di esefata. Just say we confirm magic. Adi ebechino na Ghana nyina dan tisa America na se land. It's not possible. But yenye di esefata na chese yesuni ye bani ya adwene na ye adwene fa Ghana hono. Enye positive. Na enye progressive. Na mfa mpuntuo ne awhaya de beba titru mabunu so. Ya pomuden wonsem, ya dishia wonsem, ya ketua wonsem, adwuma opportunities na. Saa nkomo no na bribia da se se ya adwene. Na central funds so a we wa be patcho awie no. Yes, akokas ye hu se opatcho ne ecosystem de bia be se confusion see this country Ghana. We have only one Ghana. It would tie chena na Sri Lanka cry I say ana we ni I say na ye o de makakra me fa hwena no. Na obehu se noko ye je.
Okay.
Noko ye je. Ye todo kuna ye jimeko enkra ba bo ade ma menwene me ho onuga no twa abe. The Ghanaian Times. Professor Mills, Asumdwe Park in Komona and that's what Ghanaian Times anyone will say. In fact, the Chronicle, it do be Ghana, we have a lot of issues to talk about. We Professor Mills, Adena for almost all the papers. Big page, front pages. The panitia said, see, they see so pa no piano tune. Only in this country, you know, and only yes, someone said, yes, so yeah, all the we have a lot of issues to discuss. Yes, sir, all the front pages. It's talking about Professor Mills in Asumdwe Park. No crown acquired chuma mentre. On my way in Kwan, will be a way we know, a buying a bushia, NDC, and also acquire, and also acquire the beer in a actual mason. I'm a megufi of school. Finance Minister is still at post. I just afford that to try first class pictures essentially. You know, we have a lot of issues to discuss. Martin Pebu, God bless you. You think about Ghana. And thank you for your retraction. Yeah, call Assembly Vision Mr. Ambraba one. A bit of sabo anymore. Mills the
it's a sape Mills the nana.
Everything.
It was one. Until my and I pay us somewhere for to send back home. It just say in fact none will be a until this way near confirm. I know brebre ma battle. And now be fum kumwa.
We are there confirm kuja.
Sir. Okay, into the awaso panel. Until come na sante. Now adomonline.com and so Eddie Nielsen claims Atamils Tom has been discredited unfortunate. Said the okay said the bonkrata na de buy and sana Adom online and so Eddie abana na otwe wie ye nigide mu nsem bebre ko so nti Adom online hanum say no efa kese no efa enigide ho nsem abako no second promise host star-studded 5-star album Sorry, in Accra. Oh, okay, can promise I had there. And about concern say wedding photo of James Gardner sends social media in a frenzy. And also ewaha. And now about concern if I go can see munsem a World Athletics Championship. Ghana finishes 5th in 4x100 meters final. Sets new national record. It's ye denyamia say. And they just send back where people my Ghana. Now where the course who be memoir or call adomonline.com or be who be my call and say. Pastor caught on camera stealing 18 laptops, other gadgets from his own church.
Yay.
Adomonline.com, no.
Alaji Mustafa Musri say, that hotel crew also it. Hey.
It's a real as I be bomb pie. Yes, I took rest in your cut off floor. Okay, Nina, it's my joy online no to us I just say, Sajwa Safo returning to Ghana, Simbisa, Sajwa Safo, or Bagana, na Ghanaians ask as new photo pop up is a or the Fofrasa Biaho, and no, no, my hene, can't a home ask them no. Ebia was soon, sir, I will take the rest of what I know about Atamils to my grave somewhere Atamils, and I say they would Fakane Professor Mills wo ho no ono kwa de be se ne trima no de awu empie wo na no da enti de enti o kan sa no adomonline.com ebe trium na ora John Boydon so e da hanum say ya na brofo no sing I have full confidence in new NPP national executives' ability to win 2024 elections. John Badwam no asem no eye saa na sese okano into wakane saa nso se owogidie amapa ewo nipa foforo a womapa won se won be NPP amanyoko nanim se afempe mienu ne aduonu nan abato no saa abedwokuo yi saa mpanifo yi wom de NPP be konkunimdim eye wakane yie nti eno nso ho asem eda hanum se nkaye bi ka ho girl branded a witch for getting aggregate 13 in BEC.
Hey.
Any abay for those on Ghana.
Na say ne be yeni timi ma onya 13.
And na nka abay for those. Any padodua womunya aggregate 30 after writing BEC. Girl branded a witch for getting aggregate 30 in BEC. Oh, am I here?
Well, the Herald of Bokata said Kufuor government caught between pride and reality as Education Ministry forces GES boss to eat back his own words over free SHS food shortage across the country. And MPP's John Bodu boycotts handing over ceremony at headquarters. And Kweku Kwarteng wants finance minister's confession on reserves concealed. Daily Guide say Nana Honest Males, Seshi Medres arrested, the big one, don't align cost to free SHS, CRI Nakase, and Sakawa boy gunned down over 250K. And what's them and so on. The Daily Statesman so saying males won't be forgotten. Present commissions redevelop Asumdwe Park and a John Bodu court support for new MPP executives. Big one here. $450 million inland port industrial park projects begin. And I can see say Alhaji Baumia and ono ojina ultra na bibia beti makokama ede ama ebesi am say minim so wasefo fodu won ma
and dey me what can say phone call hweye ye do ma sense sa no pay wo mo asore na mo hweye nti agokansie mo nsam ebo makwan na ye joada sister o ma me boate ma de ahosepe no ebebre won style bia bi ti koso Adom TV.